Most people get this wrong when redeeming a Google Play gift card through Rewarded Play. They spend time earning points, reach the redemption stage, and then get confused about what happens next. Here's the truth no one tells you. The process is actually simple when you understand each step in the correct order. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to redeem a Google Play gift card through Rewarded Play in 2026, what to expect during the process, and how to avoid common mistakes that can slow things down. Let's get straight into it. The first step is earning enough points within Rewarded Play to qualify for a redemption. As you complete eligible activities and play supported games, your points balance grows over time. Once you've accumulated enough points, open the Rewards or Redemption section of the app. This is where you'll find the available reward options. Here's a quick win. Before redeeming, double-check that you're selecting the correct reward type. Many users rush through this step and accidentally choose a different reward than the one they actually wanted. For example, Alex reaches his redemption goal and immediately heads to the rewards section. Instead of rushing, he carefully reviews the available options and confirms that the Google Play gift card is the reward he wants. But here's the problem. Many users assume the gift card will appear instantly the moment they redeem. While that sometimes happens quickly, reward processing may take time depending on account verification, reward availability, and system activity. This is where most people fail. They redeem a reward, and then panic if it doesn't arrive immediately. Now, here's where it gets interesting. After submitting your redemption request, monitor the status within the app and check your email regularly. Reward notifications and delivery information are often sent electronically, so staying organized can help you avoid unnecessary confusion. Here's another quick win. Always verify that your account information and email address are accurate before redeeming. A small mistake in your account details can create avoidable delays. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to make the process smoother. Create a simple habit of checking both your primary inbox and spam folder after redeeming. Sometimes important reward emails can be filtered automatically, and many users overlook this possibility. Another important point is patience. Reward processing times can vary, and different users may experience different timelines. Monitoring your redemption status is usually more productive than repeatedly submitting requests or reinstalling the app. Let's recap. Earn enough points, open the rewards section, choose the Google Play gift card option, confirm your redemption, monitor your email, and verify your account information. Following these simple steps can help make the redemption process smoother and easier to understand. If this guide helped you, leave a comment sharing your favorite reward to redeem, hit the like button, and subscribe for more Rewarded Play tutorials, app guides, and tech tips.